We're back here with the car. As you can see, I got a tarp and the cover over it. It was raining pretty heavy here. I think we got a couple inches of rain the last couple days. So we're gonna pull off the tarp and see how everything turns out. Alright, today was basically just a ton of sanding, getting things smooth to prep for primer coat 2. And then also, because a lot of people were wondering, so I will do an update on that soon. Alright, following up on this, there are no zip ties in it. It is one piece. You can see the fiberglass sheet held. I picked up some body filler, some spreaders, and I'm just going to basically fill in all these holes in this corner piece as much as I can, just to make it look more complete. And I just can't in good faith paint a damaged bumper, at least this damaged. So I'm going to try to make this bumper look as clean as I can before I throw down the primer coat on this. For this, we're going to use the container that the spreaders came with to mix. We've got our filler. The hardener comes on top. It's covered by that white cover. We're just going to mix a random amount of filler, a random amount of hardener. As you know, I'm not one for mixing correctly, so it's probably going to like everything. But again, I'm just showing you guys minimal effort makes a world of difference. So if you have a 240 that has 40 zip tie holes and is multiple colors, give it a weekend of work and it won't be that. Alright, that's precisely a random amount. This is the color we're working with. So you can see random amount. Like I said, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm just showing you, if you do anything, that'd be better than nothing. Alright, that's gonna wrap it up for today. Originally I wasn't expecting to have like weeks to be able to work on it. I thought I was gonna have like 2 weekends. So I'm gonna try to make it a little nicer. As you can see, the car's here. Beautiful sunset. There's my house, van over there. Anyway. And then the bumpers are ready for primer now. That turned out real nice. And then we got these Johnnies. Get some tires put on those. I'm still trying to find another pair. It's a beautiful morning out here. As you can see, we got the horses over here. And then my other favorite part of being here, we got the chickens. Morning, girls. Hi. Let's see if we got any eggs. Oh, hello. Oh, we sure did. Let's make some breakfast. Front bumper's all primed up, first coat. And the car just did second coat of primer. Time to prime this bumper up. Clean it first, obviously. Alright, I'm done sanding and filling this, but I built all that up so it looks a little bit more OEM. Obviously not perfect. Filled that in, obviously the whole corner's filled in, that was all gone. No crazy holes on the side. Obviously one piece. To see what it's looking like. So this is after the second coat of primer. Hasn't been sanded yet. Obviously everything's just mocked up, so spaces and gaps aren't the best. Also, I found with the headlights, I ended up getting some Sylvia lights, but I have to cut this all out and find a way to reinforce it because that's the tabs for the intercooler. I just don't know if I'll have time before, but I do have at least one light and I'm going to try to make it work. So if I can make the Sylvia lights happen, I'm going to. Otherwise, unfortunately, it's going to be these LEDs, and I apologize to everyone. The XXRs are obviously going to be going. I've got the SSRs in the garage. But yeah, she's prepped. Paint starts tomorrow.